Hi and welcome to the tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to mark an item as shipped on Depop. Now, the first thing you want to do is ensure that you're properly signed in, and to do that, you have to go to your Google Chrome browser or any browser of your choice and type in Depop, and it will take you to this page where you would navigate either signing in or logging in. If you do not already have an account, please do well to get yourself properly signed in, and if you do have an account, do well to just go to the login button and then click on login, and you will be properly logged into your Depop account. Ensure you have your email address or whichever address you want to use to get yourself properly logged in. Have your username and password, whatever you want to use for the setup process. Having done that, you'll be taken straight up to your Depop page. Now, once you've sent out an order, it is important to mark it as shipped so the buyer is notified and your seller record stays clean. So, how to mark an item as shipped on Depop? The first thing you want to do is ensure that you're properly logged in, like I earlier mentioned, and then you type the profile icon and go to where your sold items are located. Now, when you've done that, you have to tap on sell it or sold depending on the version of your application, and then select the particular item that you want to be marked as shipped. Tap on your receipt, and then it will take you to where the order details are listed. Having done that, you have two options to either mark your item as shipped using a tracking number or without tracking. Now, to mark as shipped using a tracking number, you want to tap on mark as shipped. Alright, then enter the tracking number, select the shipping provider, and then tap confirm. Next, to mark as shipped without tracking number, you just tap on marked as shipped, then choose no tracking, and then confirm receipt. This is how you can either add tracking number on your product or not. Adding tracking number is highly recommended to help for your seller protection. So these are ways that you can mark your item as shipped on Depop. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to properly mark an item as shipped on your Depop platform. I hope you've been able to learn, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.